Hi everybody, today we happen to have a Sinotec TV which came. The owner is just saying my TV is not working, it's just dark. So it's model STL-39VN86D. So it's off. Let's put it on power and then we see what is it doing. Okay, so what we are supposed to do now, we are supposed to put in the power cable. Then we check the standby light, which is here. This one is completely off, and we have put our power, so which means the TV is completely off. It's not showing any standby light. So what it means now, it means we are supposed to open the TV inside so that we can see is the motherboard working, is it the power supply, and then we can find the way forward. Okay, so now we have managed to open our TV, and this one is the motherboard. So what we are going to do, we are going to do some basic tests to see what is happening on our motherboard. Is actually the AC power coming in. So we can select our test meter to AC. All right, now it's on AC. Then we check here the reading. If the AC is getting in, is there that 230 something volts there, which is getting in there. So our AC is there inside. Then we want to change our test meter to DC. Now we are changing it to DC now. It's on DC. We want to see at the main capacitor. This is the main capacitor. So we want to see at the main capacitor if there is about 300 and something volts, 350 volts. So let's check. 339 volts, 337 volts there is there, which means actually the power is actually coming in the primary part of our power supply. So we have to check it at the secondary of the power supply. The secondary part is after this transformer. After this is chopper transformer. After the transformer, we must find a voltage there. What we do is we must ground. We can take the ground from at the back of this area antenna. Then from there, here we must find a voltage about 12 volts. There is nothing. Then we must find a voltage here, 12 volts. There is nothing. We must find 12 volts somewhere there. There is nothing. All right. So what it actually means, it means our power supply is not switching. So there's a power in the primary, but there's nothing at the secondary. So what it actually means, it means that our power supply is having a fault. So what normally having a problem for it not to switch is this small IC, this one is normally the cause of the problem. If we could replace it, then we will be able to fix our TV. What I have already done is I have also checked our diodes. These ones are our diodes. I have checked them and they are very well. They don't have any short on them. I've checked the transistor, these transistors, switching transistors. There's nothing, there's no short. So if I check on the power supply and there's no short there, definitely, which means I have to replace this thing. So what I will actually do is I will actually replace this whole motherboard with another motherboard. I have got another motherboard, although it's slightly different model, but let's change it right now. When you are watching, keep on watching. It doesn't take time to change the motherboard. Let me change it. Then we see if there is any result or not. Let's see right now if there is any result or not. All right. Okay, this is our cable for LED lights. This one is our cable to the control buttons. This one is for information, VG cable. This one is for speaker. Then finally we put the power cable. power cable. Okay, so for power cable now, let's put it. Here is our power. Okay, I could feel the power is already there. Check here. Bring the torch here. Now here our standby light is there. Now we are removing our TV now from standby. It comes out from the standby. So now already there is a change. Now the TV is supposed to display. Unfortunately, we don't have anything here. There is no display. What can be the problem? So we are having multiple of problems here, and we are going to solve them today. And we are going to solve these problems right now. So what it means our LED lights are also not working. Why am I saying so? I found the fault here, which is going to the LED lights, but the LED lights are still not coming. So what it means now, it means we have to open our TV deep to the LED lights. If I check nicely, after I remove my TV from the standby, I can see in darkness it's actually writing its name, but it's not easy to see, but it's writing its name, but it's writing now in darkness. So which means our LED lights are having problem. So we are having multiple problems here. We have replaced the motherboard, and now we are supposed to go deep and then we fix the LED lights.